In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a OneDrive file to an iframe on the dashboard. To get started on that, first you need to go to App Studio and go to Dashboards. You need to go to the bottom of the screen and select the Add button here. Then you need to name your dashboard. I'm just going to name this OneDrive. I like just to have the iframe on this dashboard, so I'm going to select the 1x1 option. I'm also going to select is global, as I want this to be on the home page. If you want this to be an application, don't select this, as is global is just to have site and home page specific dashboards. So it's not going to be used just in one application. So select that. Then go to your cell in the dashboard layout and then select the iframe option here. Once you're here, you can then go to your OneDrive area. Don't forget, this is only for, this can only work for personal OneDrive files. You can't use a company OneDrive file for this, as the option isn't available. But if you upload it to your personal OneDrive, you'll then see it. You need to select the file you want to be in the iframe. You can then see up here there's an embed option. You need to select embed. And then here you'll see a little pop out. Mine doesn't have it as I've already generated it, but you'll see an option that says to generate the URL. So you just need to click that, and then you'll see this. You can see a preview of what it will look like, and then you can see this little URL line here. You just need to copy that, go back to your dashboard, and paste that in. Once here, you just need to remove all the parts except for the link. So we're just going to remove all of this. Just keep everything in between the quotation marks. Once that's removed, you can then select your width and height. Best to just gauge this. So I say start off with 1200 width and 800 height. But if it doesn't look right for you on your homepage or dashboard, you can just mess around with these until you like what you see. After that, you can then select your alignment. So I like to choose center. I like to have a transparent background. You can choose to hide the title or keep it. I'm going to keep it as it could be relevant. And then once that's done, you can then select save. After this, you can then choose whether or not to put this in a report on an application or as a homepage on your site. I'm going to show you how to do this as a homepage on your site. So once this is been saved, you can then go to home pages. Once in home pages, you can add a homepage. Again, give it a title. I'm going to call mine OneDrive again. I'm also then going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to select the dashboard icon here. And then I'm going to select my dashboard, which should be called OneDrive. So now I select this, I can save it. Because this is a home page and a dashboard update / creation, you need to then go back to Workspace and then sign out of your site. Once you've signed out, you can then sign back in again. Here we go. And once this is signed in, you'll then be able to see your homepage at the bottom here. Select it, and you'll be able to see your document. In OneDrive, there's a few extra features compared to a couple of others. You can just see these here, so you can see the embedded information. You can even download it. And then if you click this button here, it will send you to a more larger version of the document. I hope this has helped. Any questions, please do leave them in the video or on the community post. And thanks for watching.